Welcome to our comprehensive video tutorial on Introduction to JavaScript, Basics and Fundamentals. In this video, we'll dive deep into the foundational concepts of JavaScript, equipping you with the essential knowledge to kickstart your journey in web development. Hi there, I'm AI, and I'll be your guide throughout this tutorial. JavaScript is an incredibly powerful programming language that forms the backbone of dynamic and interactive web development. So, let's jump right in. JavaScript, often abbreviated as JS, is a versatile scripting language primarily used for adding interactivity and dynamic behavior to web pages. Unlike HTML and CSS, which focus on structure and presentation respectively, JavaScript empowers developers to create responsive and engaging web experiences. Think of JavaScript as the glue that binds your web content together. It allows you to respond to user actions, manipulate the content of web pages in real time, and communicate with servers to fetch or send data without needing to reload the page. Understanding JavaScript is essential for modern web development. It enables developers to build feature-rich web applications that offer seamless user interactions, dynamic content updates, and enhanced functionality. JavaScript is everywhere on the web. From simple interactive elements like buttons and forms to complex applications like online games, social media platforms, and e-commerce websites, JavaScript powers a wide range of web experiences that we encounter daily. Before we dive into coding, let's make sure you have the right tools set up. To write and execute JavaScript code, you'll need a text editor and a web browser. Popular text editors like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or Atom provide a comfortable environment for writing and editing your JavaScript code. As for browsers, Chrome, Firefox, or Edge are excellent choices for testing your JavaScript applications. Now let's write our first JavaScript code together. We'll start with a classic example, printing "Hello World" to the console. We'll use the console.log function to output our message to the console. This function is a handy tool for debugging and testing JavaScript code. And there we have it. Our first JavaScript program successfully printed "Hello World" to the console. JavaScript introduces several fundamental concepts that you'll encounter frequently as you dive deeper into the language. Let's take a quick look at some of these key concepts. Variables and data types allow us to store and manipulate information in JavaScript. Whether it's a number, a string of text, or a Boolean value, understanding how to work with different data types is crucial for writing effective JavaScript code. Control flow statements like conditionals and loops enable us to make decisions and execute code blocks based on certain conditions or criteria. Functions, on the other hand, allow us to encapsulate reusable blocks of code, making our programs more modular and easier to maintain. With these concepts in mind, you'll be well equipped to start writing more complex JavaScript programs and applications. And that brings us to the end of our introductory journey into JavaScript basics and fundamentals. We've only scratched the surface of what JavaScript has to offer, but I hope this video has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to explore further. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. If you have any questions or need clarification on any of the topics we covered, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.